Hi students, this is Mrs. Foy and this is another tutorial on nomenclature. So I taught you in class the rules about looking at the number of oxygens in polyatomic ions and being able to recognize which one is the 8 because that is the one that you memorized with your 10 polyatomic ion sheets, and then being able to use the rule to see what the 8s and the ites and the per 8s are. So you should be able to recognize that that polyatomic ion right there is chlorate. That's the one that you memorized. One less oxygen, but notice how the charges all don't change. They all stay the same. One less oxygen than 8 is ite. So ClO2 minus 1 charge is chlorite. One more oxygen than the 8 is perchlorate. And then one less oxygen than the ite, or you can think of it as 2 less oxygens than the 8, is hypochlorite. The hypo always goes with the ite. Don't forget just the plain old anion. Don't forget that rule. That always ends in "ide." So Cl minus is chloride. Okay? So we can use these for any of the polyatomic ions that you've learned with the 8s. All right, let's see if you can match these up. Which of these do you recognize as phosphate, the polyatomic ion that you memorized? Right, it's this one right here. So this one is phosphate. And look, this has one less oxygen than phosphate. Notice the charges don't change. So this is phosphite. Here is 2 less oxygens than the phosphate. So this one is hypophosphite. And there doesn't happen to be a perphosphate. But this one right here is just the plain old anion, just the phosphide. Okay, just the phosphide. All right. So we also can look at similar polyatomic ions in the same column and recognize what they are. So for example, this polyatomic ion and this polyatomic ion you didn't memorize, but don't they look like one that you did memorize? Yes, that is chlorate. And if you see here, there's chlorine, bromine, and iodine all in the same column, so they're going to act very similarly. So this one, this polyatomic ion right here is iodate. So that is iodate. And this one would be, can you guess? Bromate. Excellent. And if it was BrO2, it would be bromite. And if it was iO2, charge minus 1, it would be iodite. Good luck. Good luck with your homework. Bye.